You know say writing a travel brochure. Kito lagansa on the A travel brochure is a small magazine or book. Kito lagansa on sura thing in a magazine to out of containing pictures and information. Your bone about something or advising something. The on a jam dam when it is on the genia jello. A created and well designed travel brochure. Sent it gong Bozan Charter Kito lagansa can attract readers and potential clients. Subhead to read Lala Shide Powdery will stress on to visit a certain place. Teacher near the Kugo led by Yoshi Border. Tips to write an effective travel brochure. T out the key dollar guns on the Kujiyama, a don't damage today. Choose a destination of your potential clients. The Lala Shide Powdery, Dojinania Viva. Explore and locate the facilities or the location. I Niyama, Yana. One summary city go Susan Shabwe Piroma Tedoma include restaurant, shops, bedrooms, movie theaters, etc. Raidema, Santo Sine, See Sine, Yichoyone, Yoshione Bame. Find out what the residents are saying. Arima, Chichani Duri Biosagari Shama if your destination has residential accommodation. Then Dojinaniaga, Luni is our own Yakodidema Shida Swim. Determine the price of your travel package. Think of a captivating title. Such adjectives as adventurous, pulsating, mind-blowing, fanciful, breathtaking, etc. can be used. စွန့်စားသောရင်ခုန်စိတ်လှုပ်ရှားပွဲကောင်းသောဝေခွဲမရဖြစ်သောစိတ်ကူးရင်ဆန်သောအံ့ဩတုန်လှုပ်ပွဲကောင်းသောစတဲ့ adjective တွေနာမဝိသေသနာတွေသုံးပါ Hook your audience with the opening sentence အဖွင့်စာကြောင်းနဲ့သင်ရဲ့ပရိသတ်တွေကိုဆွဲဆောင် Include eye-catching photos အာရုံစူးစိုက်ခံရမယ့်ဓာတ်ပုံလေးတွေထည့်သွင်း Look at the simple travel brochure ရုပ်ရှင်နဲ့ခီးသွားလက်ကမ်းစာဆောင်တစ်ခုကိုကြည့်ကြည့် In groups, also like choose a destination, and create a travel brochure. Kito lagan sa to panty, including eye-catching photos. Ayun yame. Dapoli di tedwem. Alma beta namuna lagan sa jimasoin, the Gorgeous Empire. Bojawara Empire name is over open sentence lina satire. Jijin shujins of what dapoli tedwen tare, pido different condition what nature. The Bawane ne shine a tea do it.